Hello and welcome to RHS, the virtual Chelsea this week. My name's Lee Connelly, the skinny jean gardener, and I'm here to tell you how to get kids out into the garden, enjoying whatever space you've got. We've got some great ideas for you this week. I'm going to be talking about the 3 things that I think are great to get kids into the garden. One of them is grow your own, which I think is fantastic, wildlife, and also we've got to have them fun aspects. So throughout this week, I'll be giving you a few ideas that maybe you could do with the kids. Now today we are going to be talking about grow your own. I think grow your own is so important for children to learn because literally it's like being a magician. You get to see the tiniest of seeds turn into an actual plant that they can eat straight off. So like tomatoes, I love tomatoes and my daughter loves them too. So she grows tomatoes because she knows she loves tomato sauce. So we grow the tomatoes so we can make a sauce. It's that simple. I always get asked what is the quickest and easiest thing to grow. Things like radishes, cress, like really fast stuff. Yeah, sure, it's quick, it's instant, but how many children love radishes? I know that I still don't even like radishes. Do you like radishes, Ols?
No.
Olive?
You know radishes got like loads of tomatoes in?
Yeah.
Some tomatoes...
Radishes ain't got tomatoes in.
Yeah, do you know if I had radish and then tomato, I would just don't feel well.
Tomato or radish? Tomato. Both. I knew it, tomato. So I always say we've got to grow what we love to eat. Even if it's the hardest thing, if children are actually going to eat it, they're going to care about it. It's a bit like me. When I first started, I grew loads and loads of onions, but I don't even like onions. It's the worst thing. I hate onions. So why did I grow them? I didn't care about them and I just left them to do their thing. So you need to grow something that you're actually going to care about. And there's also that thing about growing too many plants to begin with. I always say work with 5 seeds or 5 plants in your first year and then build on top of that. Because you want to be simple, keep it easy, that's the thing. Keep it nice and easy and you're going to get success. But today we're going to be talking about giving children their own space, their own responsibility for something they're going to look after. So we're going to create a washing up bowl allotment. I absolutely love this one because like I say, it gives children a sense of responsibility. We put it outside the back door and then they look after it. They come back from school, wake up in the morning and they say, let me go and check my plants. Let's see if they need watering. And if they've got their own space, they're more likely to care for that, more likely to take their time. Gardening is all about patience, about teaching patience in a world where stuff happens instantly. We can order something and be with us for the next day, but if we can teach children that that's not the whole way of the world, good things do take time to happen, take time to grow. So the washing up bowl allotment is really, really simple. For this garden to make, you are going to need a washing up bowl, obviously, a drill. You're also going to need some plants. So whether you go and buy some plants, then that's awesome. Maybe you've sown some seeds already, well done you. But we are also going to sow a few seeds along this. So for this one, we are using chili peppers, we're using tomato plants, and then we're going to sprinkle a few little lettuce seeds down the edge. So this is what we have to do. Get your washing up bowl and then we're going to drill a few drainage holes in the bottom. This is really, really important because the last thing we want to happen is for our seeds and for our plants to be swimming about. So a few drainage holes in the bottom of that washing up bowl is absolutely perfect. Then we just chuck some compost or some soil, whatever you've got to hand, into the washing up bowl. And then we just plant up our plants. So just a couple of like tomatoes or pepper plants, and then just that little sprinkle of either salad or lettuce down one side. And then that's your own mini allotment right there, ready to go. It could not be easier to get gardening. Put it outside the back door, let the kids look after it, and watch them grow something incredible. This is such a great mate because whatever space you've got, whether you've got a garden, a courtyard, maybe a windowsill, anyone can be gardeners. Any children can get gardening with just that little mini allotment. Now, if you're going to keep it inside, that's absolutely fine. But I would say put a little tray underneath it because when you water it, loads of water's going to pour out the bottom. And the last thing you want to do is get water all over your carpet. And from this starter allotment, you can create a whole adventure of grow your own right there with the family. I think it's a great make, and I'd love you guys to get involved. If you do get involved with this mini washing up bowl allotment, then please do get in touch on the social media. I'm Skinny Jean Gardener, and we've got so many more makes coming up for you this week for virtual RHS Chelsea. Happy gardening, and I'll speak to you very soon.